This is a brand new 2012 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a folding second row, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, running boards, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, full power accessories, and fog lamps. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Sound Ford is located at 101 Southwest Grady Way in Renton. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.